How to fix Roblox has detected missing or corrupted files, error code 304. If you're seeing error code 304 when trying to launch Roblox, it means Roblox has detected missing or corrupted files. So here's how to fix it. First step is to restart your PC. Close Roblox and restart your PC. Then you want to clear Roblox cache. Press Windows R to open up the run dialog. Type this right here and then press enter. Find and open up the Roblox folders and delete the versions folder and any other temporary files. Then restart your PC again. Step 3 is to reinstall Roblox. Go to the control panel, programs, and uninstall a program. Find Roblox in the list and then click uninstall. Once uninstalled, go to the Roblox website and reinstall the app. You may also have to disable antivirus or firewall. Step 5 is to update your graphics card as well as run Roblox as administrator. Right click on Roblox shortcut and select run as administrator. This gives Roblox permission to fix potential file access issues. Finally, if nothing works, make sure to check your internet. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.